No, the backhoe. You have the pedal and you ride the pedal. Hmm? The light, it is on. It's recording you. Put it on the ground?
Yeah.
I don't want to dirty it up. I'll put it on the ground when we go inside, right?
What is that?
Did you tell Aji what that is?
What is that? A digger.
A digger.
Digger? Yeah, I send it through now. What do you have to do with it? I send it through now.
He sent the drone up.
Oh, the drone up. Yes, I sent the drone up.
You did? You saw it?
And you touch the drone?
Yeah.
And you talk to the drone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You saw it? You saw it? And I told you to drone.
And you tell it to go, and then you tell it to come. And did the drone listen? Yeah, it did.
You like the drone? Well, you are what now? This is what? What are you now? Trying
He a backhoe operator.
You're a backhoe operator? Well, you have to get something to
He's a private contractor.
Oh yes, you know how to use it very well.
Oh.
And then you might actually twist the head off the block. So it's around depending on how much if you want that you run it. That
What you trying to do?
Careful. Wanna come out?
When it moves and you put your
Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. You need some power steering. You need a power steering. It's tough. It's hard. Why is it so hard? You need a power steering. You need power steering.
Alright, but let's come inside.
Are you coming inside?
Yes.
So the camera can record you?
Yeah.
Okay. Need help? We can't leave it here. We have to park it. Where we parking this thing? Inside?
Are you ready to go inside?
Oh, it's a fish. Yeah. That's some weight. And where do we park it? We carrying it inside? Okay, let's see you carry it inside. The steering wheel. Wow.